There are 26 alphabets in the English language, and each alphabet can be written in two different ways, using a capital letter or a small letter. Capital letters are used to show importance. Let us learn some important uses of capital letters. So the names of days and months always begin with capital letters. We have a sentence here. He came in the month of April on a Monday. Now we know that the names of days and months begin with capital letters. So April is the name of a month. So it should begin with a capital A. So I write April in this manner and not with a small a. On a Monday. So Monday once again is the name of a day and it should begin with a capital M. So Monday begins with capital M. He came in the month of April, capital A, on a Monday, capital M. He will come on Wednesday. What is the correct way of writing this? Now Wednesday is the name of a day and so it should begin with a capital W. So this is the correct way of writing this sentence. Also the names of festivals and important days. So not just the calendar days or calendar months, but the names of festivals and important days also begin with capital letters, like Diwali. We celebrate Diwali by bursting firecrackers. So Diwali is the name of a festival and it begins with a capital letter to show the importance. It is an important festival. So in order to mark its importance, we start it with a capital letter. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August. So in this sentence, August, as we can see, starts with a capital A. It is the name of a month. But Independence Day also starts with capital I and capital D because it is a very important day. It is our Independence Day. It is the name of a very important day for any country. So Independence Day always is written using capital letters. Remember that if I write day normally, I start it using a small d. But when I am writing Independence Day, the entire thing is the name of a particular day. So both the words begin with a capital letter. The chief guest hoisted the flag on the Republic Day. What is the correct way of writing this sentence? Once again, Republic Day is the name of an important day. So R of Republic should be capital and D of day should be capital because day is also a part of the name Republic Day. So both the letters should be capitals. Republic Day. Also important events begin with capital letters. The Olympic Games is held every 4 years. So Olympic Games is a very important event and the name of this event starts with a capital O and a capital G because these are two different words, Olympic Games. So the word Olympic begins with a capital O and the word Games begins with a capital G. Many soldiers died in the Kargil War. What is the correct way of writing this sentence? Now once again, the Kargil War is an important event. Kargil War. So K of Kargil should be capital and W of war should be capital. Remember, When we write war, normally W is small. But in this case, war is a part of the name, Kargil war. This is the entire name, so it is the second word of the name. So it begins with a capital W. Many soldiers died in the Kargil war. Also, the names of awards are written using capital letters. Like the highest civilian award of India is the Bharat Ratna. So Bharat Ratna is the name of an award. So B of Bharat and R of Ratna are capitals. So the names of the days of the week, the months of the year, important festivals like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, important days like Independence Day, Republic Day, and the names of events and also the awards. All the names begin with capital letters. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.